In this video, you'll learn how to send NFTs from your Magic Eden wallet to your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your digital assets between these two platforms. Begin by opening the Magic Eden application or website on your device. Once it loads, you will need to log in to your account if prompted. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, then click the login button to access your profile. Next, navigate to your profile by locating and clicking on the profile icon, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. Once your profile opens, look for the section labeled My NFTs and select it. This will display all the NFTs currently held in your Magic Eden wallet. After that, browse through your NFTs and select the specific NFT you wish to transfer. Click on the NFT to open its details page, where you will see various options related to that asset. Once on the NFT details page, look for the option labeled Send or Transfer. Click on this option to initiate the transfer process. This action will prompt a new field to appear where you can enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, open your Phantom wallet application. On the main screen, find and click on the Receive option. This will present you with your wallet address. Copy this address to your clipboard, as you will need it for the transfer. Return to the Magic Eden transfer field and paste the Phantom wallet address you just copied. Ensure that the address is correct to avoid sending your NFT to the wrong wallet. After pasting, double check for any errors before proceeding. Finally, confirm the transaction by clicking the Confirm button. This will initiate the NFT transfer to your Phantom wallet. You may see a loading indicator while the transaction is processed. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful.